In this video, we will discuss on how to remove the elements from a list. We can remove single element or a group of elements from the list. Even the complete list can be deleted with all its elements. There are two methods which are used to remove the elements from list. The first method is the remove method. It is used to remove the first occurrence of the specified element from the list. If the element which we are trying to remove is not found in the list, then it throws value error message. The second method is the pop method. In the pop method, we specify the actual index of the element that we want to get removed from the list. If we don't specify any index in the pop method, then it removes and returns the last element from the list. Let's discuss deleting the elements from the list using a program. In the program, a list is initialized as list A with 6 values. In the list, the character C has been duplicated. First print statement is added to print the list elements. Next remove method is called as list_a.remove with the character in parenthesis. This means we want to delete the character C from the list. When executed, we can see that only the first occurrence of character C is deleted and the second occurrence is still present. The delete method deletes a single character and that also the first occurrence in the list. Next we will use the pop method. Pop is used as list_name. The pop method with the index name to be deleted in parenthesis. Index 4 is mentioned in the pop method. This means it will delete the character E. Once executed, we can see that the element E is deleted from the list. What if we don't specify any index in the pop method? In such case where index number is not mentioned, the pop method always delete the last element in the list. Executing the program again, we can see that the last character C has been deleted from the list. So, these are the different ways in which an element can be deleted from the list.